YouTube. What's up, Shakalala gang? So y'all can see the title of the video, bro. It's my first video back since Mexico. So when I got back, man, there's a lot of shit to do and it's over here. You know, I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, I really do. Let's know I say that shit in every video, bro. But I'm like, you gotta understand, bro. YouTube ain't easy. To keep y'all people watching for like 10 or 15 minutes, you know, of your time. Come on, Shakalala gang, man. We outside today again. We're about to see what's next. I'm gonna try to capture the voice of Halo, bro. And it's there. I'm wearing some anime shit today. No, I'm playing. Nah, I ain't no geek, not like that, but like that fool that has a lot of Dragon Ball Z shit on his head, you know.
Well, kind of.
Rest in peace to that creator too, man. That's the only anime I actually watch is Dragon Ball Z. Goku. We're not talking about my life today, man. We're talking about what's going on today and tomorrow, man. I appreciate y'all, man. It was a Hellcat, but can't hate. We can't hate. Well, man, we just touched down. About to show him, you know, Moro backpack. Got the Game Boy outfit. Yeah, man, I got the anime pants. Man, like I said, man. Got the white Louis Vuitton shirt. Man, that's it, right? Damn. To live and die in LA. To live and die in LA. I haven't been over here in a while. But I see somebody still tagging up there too.
27 floors of graffiti art on a complex of luxury.
Dang. I'm choosing the stairs, man. You gotta keep exercise.
Man, you ain't getting no exercise.
See all that lazy people right there?
$100,000 cars right there.
Man, what the fuck's that line for?
Hold on, oh.
This shit not better be to go in.
Are you going to finish that croissant?
Check in, ticket. Ah, fuck.
$25 just fucking.
No. Hey.
He told me to get this like Pokemon's app right here, so I went and got it, and they got these cool little characters like dinosaurs and ducks and shit, you know.
This guy shows up and he starts calling the Pokemon by the wrong names. I don't know, just on purpose to patronize me, making fun of me. I don't know what his deal was. He called Bulbasaur.
That's Onion Turtle.
Geodude.
Punchy Rock.
Meowth.
That cat with them long ass arms.
He knew Pikachu, but everybody knows Pikachu.
Oh yeah, that's Pikachu right there.
Weedle.
Party Wiener.
Beedrill.
Everybody know that's Big Dick B.
Bees don't even have dicks. It's a...
Hey. Whoa, PSA, right?
Yeah. 40 bucks for a card.
Man, you can take them joints off. That's like a 05 Honda for real.
Who the fuck's gonna carry $12,000 in their pocket?
Huh?
My mom's Funkos.
Oh, she likes them?
Yeah, she was Nightmare Before Christmas.
Out of this!
Whatever you say, Jack. Of course, Jack.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. For sure, I want to check the Predator comments and the fucking posters that were right there. Man, that's it. Shit looks like some John Wick. John Wick.
Or is it not?
What? Got me looking at some weird.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you.
Damn, they got Broly. Whoa. You got Yoda over here.
I am the chosen one. Somebody had to do it.
Oh shit. That's cool. It's like a pop.
Where your mouth is, without it the worst comes to get dirty a gig, but nigga just act with no special effects. I call the money my homie, I call the money my dog.
I get what I want when I need it. If I don't want it, I don't see it.
That's the Japanese Nintendo?
Stand back!
Look at this dude.
I let him sign it.
I really hope he is Akuma from Street Fighter.
Kazumi don't.
Excuse me, brother. Miss Parker! Miss Parker!
Number 2. And number 3. Yippee!
Yes, and if phones are 80, 90 on the trial.
I think the have a good one. Hey, Rockstar. God dang. I'll blow my ears off. Dang. Yeah, big racks. Fighter post.
I know we ain't getting food from here.
Damn, about to get some canes or something. Man, don't.
Ah, look. Dun, 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 dun. Like a damn snitch.
Crazy. Well, successful day. Man.
Murder that pussy, I told tag it. I be in mine, you should get in your bag. Son 200 en el dash, solo cash. Feel that go yard bag, she gon' go fast. 2021, G-Class. I be in mine, you should be in your
What's up, Shagalala gang? Whoa. 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 Is that mine? Oh, that's bang. Did I just get that? Yes, buddy.
Yeah, boy.
You know what this means? It means we're going back to our old lifestyle. Yeah, don't excuse the construction in the back. No, man, I just bought myself a Honda 450, man. Everything's good, bro. My bike is clean. It's a big bore engine, man. I got the MMF fucking bike, if y'all know. You know what this means, bro? We about to go crazy. Once I see the bike and I buy the bike and it's my bike, boy, it's over, man. Tell you, bro, it's over. I used to ride 450s, but it's just, I never rode a 450 that had a big bore in it, which is like, it's an add-on to the bike. Obviously, anything you add on, this shit will make the bike faster or stronger. Summer's coming, bro, so stay tuned for that. Unleash the beast. That bitch, don't take the panties off that bitch. I appreciate y'all, bro. Like I said, I really do. Keep up and just stay tuned.